If you've ever tried to create tutorials, course content, or even faceless YouTube videos at scale, then you already know that the biggest bottleneck isn't ideas, it's often execution. It's the time that it takes to learn the new tools, to plan out the specific steps, to record your screen, or, obviously you on camera or both, and explain everything clearly and then repeat that process over and over again. That's what slows most people down and keeps them from scaling. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I've completely removed myself as the bottleneck using two tools, Whale AI and Guide. Now, what I'm going to do is take existing videos or existing processes, turn them into step-by-step SOPs automatically using Whale AI, and then hand those SOPs off to my VA, and then have them record the tutorial using Guide, which obviously it will record for them. And then from there, I can either use the AI-generated voice or just layer my own voiceover over top to make it sound like I recorded it myself. If it's a tutorial, obviously for like a course, right? Now, if it's a faceless YouTube video, totally fine. I just use it like that. This allows me to create high-quality tutorials, high-quality course videos, and tutorials for courses as well, which is crazy, and even faceless YouTube videos without having to learn every tool or record everything from scratch. It saves me a massive amount of time, cuts down production costs a ton, and makes it way easier to scale content. Really, a ton of output without burning out over and over again. Now, I literally just faced this bottleneck about a month ago, and I was like every single day waking up just like bogged down, like, oh, I got to record so many videos today. And while I'm obviously like experienced at it, you don't want to be in that situation, especially when there's tons of AI tools out there that can solve these problems for you, just like I found these two to do, right? So I want to walk you through exactly how this works, so you can also start implementing it right away. It's incredible, all right? So let's just say this is one random video I watched recently that I thought was really cool, because I'm hearing all these things about like AI agents. I do like this mastermind call with my buddy, and he was also talking about like how he's got AI agents going for him. So obviously I've heard that a million times, but I wanted to put it into practice, right? Like, what are these AI agents? Like, how do I actually go about creating them? He was also talking about like automating certain things with Zapier, which I've never actually gotten into, although I've heard a ton about. So this video by Paul J. Lipsky actually does a really good job of outlining that entire process. He does a really great job of doing that. And so if hypothetically I wanted to maybe learn this, or I wanted to recreate this own tutorial myself, like hypothetically, let's say I was trying to rank a YouTube video and this one blew up on his channel, and I was like, oh my God, that's an outlier. I can make a great video just like that. The only issue is I don't know Zapier. I don't know anything about AI agents. I don't know how to actually do that process. How am I going to make that tutorial? This is exactly how I would approach it, right? With these two softwares, Whale AI and Guide, which is a recorder that's going to record and turn it into an SOP. I'll show you both how they work here in a second, all right? It's a game changer. It literally blew my mind like a few weeks ago when I found it, all right? And so that's one use case for it. Another use case for it would be like, let's say hypothetically I'm creating a course, which is very relevant to what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to pump out a decent amount of courses, trying to get my courses back up and update a bunch of them, right? But the only issue is like, let's say hypothetically a course is like 50 lectures long. It could be, sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's 100, right? It just depends on the course. That's a lot of work, updating courses or launching new courses, creating all those tutorials, right? And that's just, again, one more use case. But let's hypothetically say I don't have to be that bottleneck anymore. I could just hire somebody to literally record their screen with Guide, or create the actual video or SOP with Whale, and then outsource it to my VA. So that's a lot of talking. It's a lot of tools. What do I actually mean, right? All you would have to do is literally take this video, download it using a YouTube downloader. So just Google download YouTube video. There's like 50 of them out there, right? You download the YouTube video. Obviously, if it's your video, then you obviously have that actual video already. And what you would do is you take it into Whale AI. They have, I think, a 7-day or a 10-day free trial or something like that, or even a month free trial. I forget. I will link it in the description if I can find it. And you can use this completely free and test it out completely free in the beginning without paying for it, so you can see the power of it yourself. All you do is you upload that video into Whale AI, and it will literally take it and break it down step by step, so you can hand that off to a VA or a freelancer, and they can then record that video themselves. So you don't have to watch it, right? It literally tells you. Here's the introduction right here. The tool we're going to use for this is Zapier. You may already know Zapier as the automation platform that connects thousands of apps together. They recently launched something called Agents, which takes, and then you can literally go through, what's the next step? Step 3 is he logs into Zapier. When you first log into Zapier, you'll notice the AI agent option. So he's literally telling you not just what he's doing, showing you the screenshot of it, but also telling you exactly what to say. So why would I use this, right? Well, I would take this right here, this SOP that it literally created for me. I would send that to my virtual assistant, who's obviously, mine specifically is in the Philippines, so I can get them to obviously record it for a much more affordable rate than I actually could hourly, right? If you don't have a VA, that's totally cool. You can outsource it to a freelancer on Fiverr very, very cheaply. It's not hard. They would obviously go through, create this tutorial, and they don't need to say anything, right? That's the biggest bottleneck, is like maybe their English isn't as good as you, or maybe if it's a course tutorial, they don't have your voice, right? And you don't want to put like a cheap AI voiceover of your like clone voice on it. You just give it to them. You have them record this video. Here's the literal SOP for you. And I do this all the time, right? Like, just to give you an example, this is no different than any other thing that I create normally for my VAs, right? So like TikTok B-roll is the one I showed in the past video, I believe. This is their SOP, right? They just follow these steps on these specific websites and do these specific things. Same thing with Whale AI. It created an SOP for them to literally follow, and they just follow these steps. They can create this actual tutorial, right? Using Zapier, and obviously you'd have to have those accounts and give them access to them, right? But then when they record it, all they do is download Guide. They record their screen doing it. Doesn't matter how slow or how fast they do it. And Guide has AI that is intuitive enough to A, record all their steps, B, filter out the unnecessary ones, so it watches what you're doing on your computer, and then it also watches what you're clicking, and then also it introduces an intro in the beginning, so it explains and summarizes exactly what you're about to do and puts a pretty good intro on it. I'll show you here an example in a second, and then also breaks it down into a step-by-step tutorial and showcases exactly what they're doing on their computer with an AI voiceover, which is mind-blowing, and then also turns it into a video for you, which is crazy, right? Now, I've used a bunch of different ones like this. I've used Tango AI in the past. There's Scribe out there. There's a bunch of them. I found personally, in my opinion, that Guide is the best. A, because it does a great job of summarizing it just overall. B, because it adds that intro in the beginning. C, because it turns it into a video, which I haven't seen others do. I've heard that Tango does it, although when I logged in, I couldn't figure out how to do that. This does a phenomenal job. Let me show you an example of a video that we did recently that I did not record. VA recorded just like an auto DS, like order processing tutorial really quickly. So let me show you what it does. This is the intro in the beginning.
This tutorial will help you manage your online store's product listings and orders effectively. You'll learn how to access trending products, filter searches, import products.
You get the picture. It literally put that introduction in the beginning. Now, why is that important? Because obviously, let's say hypothetically, I was re-recording this for a tutorial on a course, right? I don't have to do any of the work. I literally just tell me what I'm recording, exactly what it's saying, and I can re-record over because it has closed captions on it. So I can just say exactly what's being said on the screen, and I can literally record it like it's mine. And it's giving me an introduction. Obviously, I can tailor that's my, put a hook in there, but I can literally say, this is going to be a tutorial on how to handle orders seamlessly, and just continue to record exactly what it's telling me. Now,
and handle orders seamlessly.
Let me show you exactly what it's doing when it actually records the tutorial. So here's an example.
If you want to import the draft as manual and update it yourself, you can do that. If you want to import it with AI and enhance it, you can also choose that. I'm going to import manually and just click that. Then as you can see, it's going to add that.
See, that's not my VA talking. That's literally their AI over top, just summarizing the key things that we're doing, focusing on it, zooms and actually highlights different things as well, which is really cool, and puts graphics on it, which is really cool. I pay editors like a lot of money to do that. This AI does it automatically. It's phenomenal. And let me show you some more examples of throughout this video. All this is my VA following an SOP. Guide is turning this into a tutorial, which then I can put my own voiceover on. This blew my mind. So if you create content, or you create tutorials, or you create faceless videos, you can outsource it. This is one of the easiest ways to outsource it that I have found, not only for tutorials, but also for faceless YouTube, right? Because you don't have to pay somebody. You used to have to pay somebody out there like $30, $50 to create a good video, or more often, like $100 sometimes if it's really high quality for like a faceless video. Or you had to use something like InVideo AI, or Creatify AI to create videos. But again, that can get a little pricey a little fast. If you have somebody that can just record their screen, they don't need to say a word. This will literally make the faceless tutorial for them. And then you can also target specific keywords and rank them on YouTube, and you don't need to know anything about this. This thing, again, I don't really know what to say other than it blew my mind. It's been something I've been really using a ton lately. It's phenomenal. a lot of these AI tools out there, they're exciting because it's like, oh my God, this can do amazing things. But then it's also like a little scary because it's like, this is replacing like so many people so quickly. And I'm sure that a lot of people don't even use tools like this. And there's probably 100,000 other ones that I don't even know exist. So without getting too off tangent here, let me show you a few other examples of this actual tutorial here, just to show you the power of this.
It's live on your store, the orders tab. Now you can see all the specific orders that you have, the ones that have been delivered, the ones that have been shipped, and the ones that need to be shipped and are pending. And you can see all your orders here in your orders tab. Automated, doing everything for you with products. This is where all your products are going to come from. As you can see, you can search in here. You can go through different categories. You can sort through different product scores,
see how it puts
sales
the closed
performance,
captions on it as
interaction
well, so you can
rate, price, and other
at
criteria.
the same time. You just mute this and start reading what it's saying on the screen.
If you want to import the draft as manual and update it yourself, you can do that.
So yeah, this blew my mind. Both Whale AI and Guide, phenomenal tools. Again, this is just what I use them for in my own business. They've been such a help. But this is the second version of the video series where I just kind of want to show you like over my shoulder what I'm using, AI tools wise, software tools wise, different ways that we're approaching different things, whether it's TikTok affiliates or content creation or e-commerce or whatever. I really hope that these help, obviously. As you can see, this just in general completely changes the way that you can approach creating tutorials and content at scale, obviously. Instead of stuck being, the bottleneck and doing everything yourself, you can turn any process or video into a clear SOP, hand it off, and have content created for you that still maintains good quality and style, but it removes you as the bottleneck and it saves you hours of time and cuts down the need for expensive editors or specialists or anything like that, and also opens the ability to scale things like courses, faceless YouTube, faceless anything realistically, and internal systems and SOPs and onboarding so much faster. So if you want to try these tools out for yourself, I will try to link both of them in the description below, along with any free trials or discounts that I can currently find. Again, I'm not an affiliate at the current time of recording this, but maybe I'll become one if I can find a good deal. But I really hope that this helps, guys. If you have any questions on how to implement this or how I'm using it in my own workflow, feel free to drop a comment down below and let me know. Any questions other than that, let me know as well. I really hope that this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.